Speaking at the glamorous event held in Kampala, the Vice Chairperson of the National Curriculum Forum, Charles Batambuze, emphasized the transformative power of gospel music. Batambuze says that gospel artists have a unique calling to unite souls and inspire communities by drawing them closer to God through their music.
This aligns with our broader mission as the National Culture Forum to create sustainable structures for the creative and cultural industries, where talents are nurtured, celebrated, and economically empowered. So, as we roll out the red carpet for these awards, we do so not only to celebrate artistic excellence, but to affirm a new chapter in East Africa gospel music, rooted in unity, uplifted by faith, and resounding with the rhythm of a continent that sings.
The event brought together top gospel musicians from Uganda and Tanzania, signaling a new era of regional collaboration. Margaret Chacha, the head of the East African Gospel Music Awards from Tanzania, called upon more gospel ministers to seize this opportunity to serve God and his people through their musical gifts.
Now we are starting going further. So instead of looking at secular, what they are doing, now secular has to look at the gospel, what we are doing. In order, we have to be a trendsetter, a trailblazer, because we are the light of the world and the salt of the earth. So for that case, we need to be trendsetter. And how do we achieve that? With unity.
Batambuze added that this new platform will enhance visibility for Ugandan gospel artists across East Africa, fostering unity through the Ministry of Music.
Once again, karibuni sana. Welcome to Kampala. Welcome to the Pearl of Africa. Welcome to a gospel movement that is alive and on fire. May this be the beginning of something extraordinary.
The East African Gospel Music Awards are now set to become a beacon of faith, talent, and regional unity in the gospel music scene.
In order to get to excellence, it means that Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, everyone will start being in a unit. We do the workshop. Yeah? We know how to leverage with our gospel music. If a person asks, where's your God? They will see God through you, or the work that you're doing.
Julius Mhumuza, Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.